How you doing today, guys? Welcome back to another day of 7th grade math. This is Mr. Gomez, your favorite teacher in the whole world, and today I'm gonna show you a fast way to subtract, how to subtract rational numbers. In this case, we're actually dealing with decimals, which is not a big deal. What I want to talk about today is actually kind of like a rule. Previously, we talked about these rules about adding and subtracting, and they said the same signs you add and just keep the sign, and opposite signs you subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. That's for adding and subtracting. Now for multiplication and division, same signs is positive and opposite sign is negative. Now, I know it's a little bit wordy, like a lot of words right here to remember, so I'm gonna show you something else. And this you might already know, okay? These are 3 letters that we use that you might already know from the past, okay? We're gonna do We're gonna do K, C, C. Keep, change, change. Who remembers this? Okay, so a lot of you remember this. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep the same one as it is. And then whatever is this change, we're going to change to the opposite sign. So we're going to keep this one, we're going to change to add, and then we're going to change to add. So it says write as an addition problem. So instead of, we're going to keep the first one as is. So negative 2.5 is still going to be negative 2.5. Now this changed to plus, and then we're going to change this to plus as well, so it's just 8.3. But the thing is that now we have opposite signs, so we actually need to subtract, and we're still gonna keep the sign of the bigger number. So the thing is, find the sum. What sign will the sum have? What sign will the sum have? Again, if we look back at those rules, it says opposite signs, subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. It says opposite signs, subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. So if we look at this, I know that 8 is more than 2 and that is positive, so I know my answer will have a positive sign. How do you know? Because 8 is more than 8.3, because 8.3 is bigger than 2.5. So if I want to find the solution for this, all I have to do is subtract. So I'm going to put the bigger number on top, the small number on the bottom, and then just do a regular subtraction, lining up my decimals. You borrow whatever you need to do. So 13 minus 5 is what? 13 minus 5 is? 8. So 8 minus 3 is? 5. So my answer is going to be 5.8 positive. Again, we're using the keep, change, change method. We're going to keep the first one the way it is. We're going to change either the subtraction or the addition to the opposite. And we're going to change the second one to the opposite as well. I hope that you learned something today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on. If you're new here, please check out my other playlists. I have a lot of cool 7th grade math stuff that you might find helpful a lot. Other than that, check out my other channel, MTV Alex. That's it for this one, and I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.